So I know it's a little windy, but I thought I'd show you guys some of the animals that we have down here. Now keep in mind these are not all our animals, but I thought I'd show you guys. There are horses. Just take you guys to walk around. Chickens. More horses. Sheep. It's been raining, so. And my personal favorites, goats. Hi, buddy. Doing whatever they want. Look how cute. Oh. Let's go see the chicken. Oh, see what? And they're all running away. They run away from you. Bye, guys. So there you go, guys. So there you go, lots of different animals. You guys can follow me on TikTok at Laurita70 or on Instagram at _Laurita70. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comments. And you can also email me if you have anything that you want to tell me or if you have any questions. Have a good day, guys.